eating challenge.
That's right. You forgot? Let's go.
So we have the orange pineapple soda.
And we have the vanilla Coke. Well, cola.
Wait, do you like root beer?
Yes, but it's not root beer. It's cola.
Okay.
But welcome to another segment of Q Eats. Yeah. That was one of my better ones. I can count all the videos that I've done a good one, and that was a good one. Yeah. So go ahead and bless this drink. Go ahead.
Lord, thank you for this food.
Lord. Go ahead.
Thank you for this drink that we're about to receive. Let it be a
Nourishment
nourishment to my body and soul. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Gotta get the Lord his
I'm scared for that.
And his glory.
I love vanilla anything, especially the high C. I love that, but I'm scared of this.
Making a little knock.
Ooh.
Oh, is it bubbly?
Oh, looky, there's like steam coming out.
Steam? Really? The connoisseur's back.
Not a lot, you remember.
Some more.
No, Daddy, no.
You gotta have a lot to drink it. See that fizzy bubbly? Come on, give me a cup.
Not a lot.
I'm a connoisseur.
Not a lot.
Okay.
That's good. That.
See that? Alright, you gotta give it your best burp. Your highest burp. All I was thinking about, your best praise. Your highest praise. I know. It's a song. If y'all don't. That's it. It's not strong enough. What you doing?
It's coming and it stopped.
No, you ready? You gotta drink it. I was confused, Burp, because confused.
Okay, behind the cameras, lady.
Yeah. Mystery burps. Where are they coming from? All right, y'all. We're gonna move on to this orange pineapple soda. See if it has any better results. Give me that.
Not a lot. That good.
That's better results. I like that one better. I do. excuse you. Ooh. Well. Angels, how are you doing today? What are you doing today? Have anything good been going on? Whatever it is, post it in the comments down below. Let us know how your life is changing by watching our show, our videos. Let us know. Comment down below if you think she can. Can't say dance, so you want to see her top half. Okay. Ooh, trying to burp and drinking all this drink. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I guess she's a burp whisperer because she's talking to a drink, guys. Please, thumbs up to get her some help, some medical attention. What? I'm trying to help you.
It's like not coming out. I'm like, this is not good.
It's like right there, but you gotta be careful. Ooh.
This is great.
Ooh. That's a new one, guys. Have something brewing for you. Ooh. Let the games begin. Ooh. Mr. Roberto, I need to see all the times you see me burp. You've been doing it. You've been tracking it. We need to see what point. Boom, 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 boom. You've been on them times, man. Let's see them times this time. This orange pineapple soda, hitting the spot. It's producing the results that you've been looking for, people. That you've been looking for, people! Woo! I'm not feeling your energy here.
I'm not feeling it either.
It's like 100 to 0. See? You know, next time, people, I know what's gonna happen. People talking about the burping challenge. You know, next time we have to count these suckers out. So every time she burp, she get one. If it's my burp, I get one. So
I get 2. I get 2. You get 1. No, I get 3. You get 1. That's only fair.
Yeah, the burps is going hammer. Hammer time. Hammer time. We already know we're going to get at least one thumbs down on this video. Every burping video we have one thumbs down. Whoever that is, I already know we're going to get one thumbs down.
And 18 thumbs up. Our limit is to try to get...
You want to start talking?
20
likes. Thumbs up. Even if you don't like the burping, even if it's disgusting, just because you're watching and you're following, you just give us a thumbs up and leave it. If you don't want to listen.
Guys, we need those 20 thumbs up, so please.
Like, where is it coming from? You want some more? Yes.
Oh, yes, please, sister.
Oh, you have graduated. Oh, girl, so girl.
I am, excuse me, for all the times I've burped. Excuse me.
I'm trying to tell y'all, burps are in the air.
And my burps aren't coming out, so like all of that, what is it called?
You don't even know.
Whatever this is.
What?
Carbohydrate? I was joking. All
Do not read the Bible.
Our combination
Mmm.
is like, it's like,
Ooh,
guys,
that
you
was
know
a
what I
nice solid one, huh?
instead of like all those like, wet burps, sir.
Ooh. This is by far the fourth video, people, and this time the burps are hitting the camera. The burps are feeding your ears. The burps are soothing your mind. Soothing your mind. I understand. I understand. I understand. Where you going?
I almost built it myself. Gotta let this one sit.
That's your stomach.
No, it's yours. This is hard, guys. If you guys ever do this, put it down in the comments below, and we're gonna check out your videos.
What you talking about, man?
If they ever do this challenge or do any videos, put it down in the comments below. Well, and I'll check it out. It's
Oh, okay. You want to try this cola again? Yeah, cola today is not the way. So I got all this carbonation still. So it's still like, so it's still coming up. Just what you like. Give it what you like. needs some milk.
That's not funny.
Look at my back or the wall.
It felt good. That felt good. Okay, guys. We love you. Thank you for watching this video.
For real?
What do you mean for real?
Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to show you how it's done. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned in for the latest and the greatest videos that's coming to your ears, to your eyes, to wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Please, please, please watch the videos. Until next time, peace.
Hey guys, it's me.
Ooh, that's what I was looking for. Gosh, that was a hard one.
Just some inserts, guys, from after I turned the camera off. So y'all can see what burps be going on after we get finished with these videos. Like, just because we turn the camera off, it don't mean they're done. So, they burps stink too, y'all. Like, they stink. Smell like they, whatever they ate, it stinks. Especially that one right there. But yeah, guys, I've been burping behind the camera today. I wasn't in front of the camera because I didn't do my hair, and I just wasn't camera ready for today, so they took over for me. But I did give y'all a couple burps behind the camera. But without further ado, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your cousins, tell your aunties, tell your nephews, tell your dog.
Tell your nieces, tell your parents.
Tell your pastor what your girl, boy, and daughters over here doing. We over here dropping them videos every single day. Woo! And guess what? Even if y'all don't like our burp content, guess what? We got people out there requesting this stuff. So, that's why we do it, man. But without further ado, I love you guys. They love you guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Woo! Peace.